By using pen tool, I am creating only single line. So once you're done with the line, so just take a copy of the same line and alter the points. Then change the stroke color to different. Two lines with the two different colors. So using blend shape, just click on one line and then another line. So then you can see color is mixed up and blended. Double click on blend tool. You will find blend options. There give a specified steps 10, 15, how much you need. So now you can see a leaf petal. So then by using rotation tool, I am copying a leaf petal using duplicate transformation and duplicate rotation. You can see now a simple floral design.